Welcome back to another one, guys. This time we are looking at some small business holiday labels. I have 7 different options here, and later on you'll check out in the file how it works. I'm showing you this close up. I want you to see I have some very old labels, so my print isn't that good, but I was able to slow it down and turn up the darkness, and that allowed me to get what you see now. Alright, so here's the template. I just want to show you a couple things because I did something different this time. So once you click on the link, it takes you here. Use this template. You have to log in. Alright, so on the first page, you're going to see a bunch of icons, graphics type stuff, and you can take these and copy paste them, move them. I recommend copy and paste them, and then you just leave them all on this first page. And you can change the color if you're printing on inkjet, or you have some other means of adding color to your labels. This is green. I'm not going to worry about that because it still looks good when it prints. And if you want to change any of them, you can. Some of them may be grouped. To ungroup it, you just click on it and click ungroup, and you can swap out whatever icons you want. You can put your business name in here wherever you like as well. And that'll wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys for all the likes, comments, and subscribes. Don't forget to use that 15% off code, and I'll talk to you in the next one.